Uno.
Hi everyone. As promised, my favorite recipe with Pioppini mushroom, and it's that sausage, Pioppini, and beans, and tomato paste, 1 spoon. Sage and garlic. We start. Big spoon of garlic and extra virgin oil. If sausage fat is not enough, and voila. Now, big pan. Now I have my pan in the acerone. I'm very happy. Sage. I put in big piece because later I take out. I cut. Voila. I cut my sausage in small piece, not too small, in piece.
Ooh, here we have Uncle Chris watching. Hi, Uncle Chris.
Oh, ciao Chris. Oh, sausage. Uncle Chris is one of our followers.
Favorite.
Favorite followers, no?
Ah.
È uno di quelli che ci segue di più.
I see. One of our top fans. He says, Francesca, ciao. He even has the little medal of top fan on the comments.
When your oil start to fry, we put inside tomato paste with some water. And voila. 2 minutes, and when tomato is melted, we put inside sausage. This is wonderful main dish. With this weather, in Tuscany today, rain. Yeah.
There was a storm.
Yeah, when is it storm? Voila. And now we wait 2 minutes. Lindsay, give me a good spoon. Grazie. And now Pioppini. Pioppini cook very, very fast. I have big one. And we can find that in the supermarket, but we find in our garden because have a sort of, come si dice? Un mazzo di fiori.
It's like a bouquet of flowers.
Oh, simple. It's like a bouquet of flowers. It stay together, and you can find a small family of mushrooms. I put inside. And I take another glass of water.
It smells so good.
And now beans. In Tuscany we have many recipes with beans, and I love it. And I choose that beans, this is cannellini, and I buy, obviously, dry. I make myself. See, I make myself the cooking directly in a jar for 7 hours, and it's very simple cooking. The name is cottura angelica, and I make that because I ate the canned beans for the flavor, the smell and taste. I don't like it, and I put my beans 1 day under water, and I change the water, I wash them, and then I put 3 parts of beans and 5 parts of water. I close the jar and put in the pan under water for 7 hours. And then I close the fire and wait that the water become cold. And you can have your beans already for one life. No? Non si dice?
For life.
For life.
They
yeah.
last forever.
Forever.
Huh.
Okay, if I open, you can eat.
Don't try that at home.
And it's very good. Sono molto buoni questi tappi. You want that?
Mmm.
Sono buonissimi. And you need time for cooking, but then you can have in your kitchen when you don't have time for cooking. This is the dinner for our guest.
Vuoi ripetere in italiano cosa stiamo facendo? Che abbiamo un po' di viewers italiani?
Sì, sono molto contenta. Allora, facciamo i fagioli con i pioppini, fagioli cannellini, funghi pioppini, un'aggiunta di salsiccia per alleggerire il piatto e fine. Molto semplice, soffritto con aglio e salvia. Poi mettiamo il concentrato di pomodoro, i funghi pioppini, i fagioli in scatola, ma che noi abbiamo ovviamente autoprodotto, e ora lasciamo cuocere. Visto che ci sono i viewer italiani, ringrazio Lucia della fattoria per questa ricetta che è sua, e ovviamente lei li fa molto meglio di me, ma io sono ugualmente brava. E una macinata di pepe nero e il nostro piatto è pronto.
E adesso in inglese?
Oh, we put inside fresh black pepper and our dish and the dinner it's ready. I need some minutes for boiling together, and I think it's ready in maximum 10 minutes. I the fire.
Mm-hmm. And in 10 minutes?
In 10 minutes, your dish is ready, but I show you later. Try to do the recipe and let me know. Bye bye.
Ciao!